Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach, and I'm standing behind a brand new 2019 Scout 355 LXF. It's a beautiful boat. This is the first one that we've ordered in Midnight Edition, which is all black powder coating. Shows beautifully. Let's climb aboard. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice on this boat is that it's equipped with the brand new Mercury 300 Verados, which are V8 naturally aspirated engines. Performance on this boat is incredible. Walking into the cockpit here, you'll see the Scout really tries to focus on versatility with the layout, so it's a great boat if you're just going to be cruising with family, friends. But if you are into some fishing, you can flip up the seat here. And now you've got a nice padded bolster. Flip down backrest that you can use as a bait crunch station or table, which is very easy to move up and down. This boat is very well equipped. It's got the SeaKeeper under the seat here, which works incredibly well in this boat. Reduces the rock and roll if you're in rough water. Definitely helps with if you get seasick easily. Nice dive door on the port side, and there's a ladder mount there. Ladder's actually stored right there for easy use. Alright, follow me up to the helm. Boat's equipped with triple Garmin Touchscreen units that are flush mounted in the black acrylic. Beautiful look to it, especially with the black dash here. You've got a joystick piloting on this, which makes it incredibly easy to dock and maneuver in tight spaces. You can literally walk this boat sideways, move it parallel, twist it on a dime. It's a very intuitive system and really takes a lot of the stress out of boating. So it's a great feature. We're adding it on most of our boats now with twin engines and up. So, another thing you'll notice with the Scout is they do an incredible job integrating the T-top and the console together. It's a real slick look to it. Very minimal screws, which is really going to help this boat age well. Alright, so this is a 35-foot center console, but as you'll see, it's got a real nice sized cabin on it. There is air conditioning in here. Nice wraparound seating that also turns into a bed. Great for overnighting. Definitely great for kids, grandkids. If you're out on the boat all day and they just need to get out of the sun. Alright, and then moving up to the bow, you'll see again with the versatility on the Scouts, you got great room to lay out. Right now we've got it set up as a bed, but this table goes up and down so that you can use it if you're having some cocktails, hors d'oeuvres on the boat. Makes it real comfortable. Nice forward-facing lounger here as well. But again, I'm Jordan Hanna from MarineMax Palm Beach. This is definitely a boat you need to see in person. So give us a call, 561-427-9217. Look forward to seeing you.